So hello guys, what's up? We are back again with another series this time. Uh, and let's get started. And in this series, we are dealing with some miscellaneous and LC hards problems. So let's see. This is the first one. What does it states? It states we need to tell maximum points on a line. Okay, so we are given an array points where points of I is the array itself, which contains two things, xi and yi. And then we need to return the maximum number of points that lie on the same straight line. So what can be the intuition? So the points which lie on the same straight line have the same slope. Yes. So we can think in that direction that if there are, okay, let's say there are these 3 points, then these 3 points will have the same slope. So we can calculate the slopes, and if the slopes are same, that means they lie on the same line, and then we can return our answer. Yes. But there is one thing. Parallel lines also have the same slope. So parallel lines also have the same slopes, but then those points won't lie on the same line. So then how can we approach this? See, we have to approach from slope point of view only. We can approach this easily from slope point of view, but parallel lines can create a trouble for us. So then what is the solution? Okay, let's see. Now, instead of just calculating all possible slopes, we will calculate all possible slopes, but for each and every point. Yes. For example, let us take this as our example. In this, we will take one particular point, and then we will calculate slope from this to this to this to this to this. And the maximum times a slope gets repeated, we will take that slope. Okay, so if in a line there are 3 points, then that slope will be repeated 2 times. So we will have our answer +1. Yeah, it is same case. These are also parallel lines where x2 minus x1 is 0. So if I show the code, yeah. So we are iterating the points array, and for each point, we are again iterating the points array and calculating the slope. If the slope is same, then we will add up. Yeah, basically we will have a map, and then we can store the slope, and the answer can be maximum of answer and slope. But what if I took this outside? MP of double comma int map outside this loop. This won't work. If we took this outside and if we try to calculate all the slopes, then parallel lines will issue us. For example, x is equals to 18 and x is equals to 20. Both are parallel lines. So both will have same slope, in this case, int max. But we can't guarantee that x is equals to 18 or this slope is only the answer. Maybe some other line have 4 points. So we have to keep a map for all the points and check for all the points that if it is in the same slope or not. And finally, we will return answer plus. So yeah, guys, this was all from this question. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Just in case you like the video, like the question, make sure you hit the like button, press the subscribe button, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much, guys. We shall see you next time.